Hi Gemini, hope you're doing well. Welcome back to 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one, so not all of you can resonate. Pwede niyong panoorin ang inyong Moon, Rising, and Venus placements kasi minsan mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon kaysa inyong Sun sign. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell, Gemini. Please watch until the end of the video to support my channel. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Let's see what are the energies and the messages for you for this month of June. Gemini. Changes in your family life, okay? You have a very content family. Yung mga material needs, emotional needs, nakakamit ninyo. You have everything. Maybe you are having or living a comfortable life with your family. Okay. May pag-uusap, discussion. Okay. You're doing a good job. Meron kayong pag-iisipan, mga importanteng bagay. You have a lot of questions. Okay? Maybe sa trabaho nyo, sa group of people. Okay? May bagong direksyon ng buhay ang mangyayari. Okay? Bagong strategy. Okay? Bagong strategy to earn more, okay, for your family. Bagong negosyo na pag-uusapan, okay? If you're having or if you have a company of your own, merong pag-uusap, okay, how to improve better, okay, or how to develop the company further. Meeting sa mga with people na may mga special skills, okay? Department heads or higher management, okay? It's going to be a lot of work na mangyayari kung meron mang changes. Okay? For some of you, madami na kayong difficulties na pinagdadaanan. Okay? Mga pagtitiis, but you're not giving up. There will be discussion kung paano pa ma-improve yung company o yung business ninyo. Okay. Medyo nahihirapan ka na, but still, naniniwala pa rin kayo sa mga kasamahan nyo sa work or sa business ninyo. Marami kayong natutulungan ng mga families, okay? You're not giving up, Gemini. For some of you, you are dealing with a Libra. Okay. Merong improvement sa inyong samahan pagdating sa marriage life, okay, or sa partnership. Okay. Fortune is on your side, Gemini. Okay? Maganda ang relasyon mo sa partner ninyo. Okay? This is good luck. You are very defensive or protective of your success, Gemini. Okay. Yeah, for some of you, you need a lot of strength para ma-overcome yung mga obstacles and difficulties, mga challenges about your business. Okay? May mga ideas kayo na iisip but you feel na parang baka hindi to maging successful. Okay. You are thinking negatively. Okay. You need to follow your intuition, believe in yourself, Gemini. Fight for what you believe in. Okay. Minsan nasa isip mo lang na hindi mo kaya, pero actually, physically, kaya mo. Okay? With your ambition, you are driven by your ambition, Gemini. Kaya mo yung mga difficulties, nalalagpasan mo. If there are injustices na nangyari before, na-overcome mo. Okay? Merong competition na nangyayari, but you know you have a guiding star, okay? Parang lahat ng ginagawa ninyo, may sumusuporta sa inyo, Gemini. Okay? Fortune is on your side, luck is on your side, over competition. Okay? May nakikipag-compete. Maraming inggit na nangyayari because of the success na meron ka. You are a businessman or a businesswoman, okay? For some of you, you are getting an apology from a younger one. Gusto na ngayon makipag-cooperate sa inyo and join your business. Or join or magsusuporta sa inyo sa trabaho, okay? Marami kayong tinutulungan, Gemini. Family members, katrabaho, or mga tauhan ninyo, okay? Ikaw nagsusuporta. You are giving jobs to them. Merong nangangailangan ng inyong attention and kindness. They need your help, maybe financially. Okay? But the universe favors you sa lahat mong ginagawa, Gemini. Okay? Despite sa mga competition, sa mga naninira sa inyo, kayo pa rin ang nagwawagi. Okay? Kung mayroong dispute or problema in your relationship na overcome, na ayos. Okay? Don't think negatively. Stay away from negative thoughts, Gemini. Okay. Maraming taong umaasa sa inyo, Gemini, okay? Kailangan nila ang iyong lakas, ang iyong talino, wisdom. Ang dami nyo nang ginagawa siguro, okay? But you're still standing up. You keep on fighting, Gemini. Sa dami ninyong pinagdaanan, sa trabaho man, sa negosyo ninyo. Okay? But fortune favors you. Fortune is on your side. Maswerte kayo, Gemini. Okay? Let's see kung ano pa yung mga messages para sa inyo. Gemini, please. Messages for Gemini. Gemini. Thank card. Celebration, fun, and enjoyment. Okay? So, don't think too much. Don't think negatively. Have fun. Celebrate. Kasi may kailangan kang i-celebrate. Merong success para sa inyo. Gemini. Fun. Romance, celebration, party. Okay? Meron talagang celebration. Maybe this is a success in your company or in your work. Merong expansion na mangyayari. 10. Temporary situation. Paano man yun, yung mga difficulties or challenges na pagdaanan ninyo, it is just temporary. Okay? It is meant to give you a lesson to improve yourself further or to improve your situation further. Crack cap. Dissatisfaction with life. Okay? Don't lose hope, Gemini, Lily, spiritual love. Okay. Maraming taong nagmamahal sa inyo. You are protected by the divine, Gemini. Do not give up. Older woman, dealings or relationship with an older woman. For some of you, merong concern or issues with an older woman na kailangan isettle, kailangan pag-usapan. Okay? Siguro yung person na to is pinoproblema ninyo, nagbibigay ng stress. Okay? So, take care of yourself, Gemini. Balance your emotion. Additional message for Gemini, please. Gemini, please. Message for Gemini. 00. Okay? Kung madalas kayo nakakita ng number na 00, angels ask for your attention. Open your eyes, listen, and think about everything that is happening. Trust your intuition and follow their guidance without any delay. Focus inward through meditation and prayer. Okay? So, meditation or prayer is needed. Kung meron tayong pinagdadaanan, Gemini, believe in yourself. You are protected by the divine. You have a guiding star. Okay? So, yun lang. Ito yung message para sa inyo, Gemini. Thank you so much. See you on the next video. Bye!